Igbo ndị ọma na-eke kwa amụnụ. Ihe bụ video lost Zeus, man. You have a video lost Zeus. Now, can you can Minister of Works Dave Umahi kedu ihe mere na anyị Igbo anyị achọbere inwe ụzọ? Minister of Work Dave Umahi gịnị ji anyị Igbo anyị inweta ụzọ? Ịdị busy na-alụ South, a na-alụ West kita, na-alụ ya alụsie ike. Ndị Hausa dị busy na accommodate ụzọ, na acquire properties, na host meeting with bandits, na host meeting with bandits, na onwe bụ na host in a host meeting with bandits, na egosikwa ụmụ wase ha na nothing dey happen, and we have a president on seat. But that's by the way, sha na ajụjụ Minister of Work Dave Umahi gịnị mere na anyị Igbo anyị amanlụ ya alụ? Anyị Igbo anyị gịnị ji ọlụ na anyị Igbo anyị ka na-alụ na ya alụ? What is the problem? People are suffering. The only road that connected east to west is unmotorable, and everybody live calm ka asị na nwere ihe na-eme. Enwere ihe m jụrụ si UK, or by force join a political party before you bido nwetebe ihe allocations kwesị, or by force, these people are trying so hard to frustrate ndị Igbo anyị ka afọ na capture everywhere, so that by then all this is easy. My prayer is that God should cause a revolution in this country ka onye ọbụla mara right here, because as it stands now, there are all the guys na eweli ihe wee kechicha Nigerian youth anya, kechicha the people that are supposed to say something anya, weli ihe seal where the mouth of the elite who are supposed to speak, so that their voice will be heard. Enwere onye bụ only in seat na-ekwu ụdị okwu arụ nwanne ekwu, gọọmenti a na-agbagara. But because they have sold their hand in blood and sold their soul to corruption, that is why this kind of thing, they cannot say it, neither will they see it and speak, because the crime against humanity committee under Goodluck Jonathan is what is at work in them, and they cannot speak. The crime against humanity committee during Yaradua Jonathan occupying Nigerian protests, that is what is eating them up, and they cannot speak. Somebody like Adams or Shomole, but as no Libya is the cause of insecurity in our neighbor. How shameful can you people be? What other shamefulness can you people be? If Christian Association of Nigeria can sit down and deny there is no Christian genocide in Nigeria, where else are we going to? Christian Association of Nigeria sit down, deny the genocide against Christians in this Nigeria, especially in the eastern and Imogo Anibais, especially, and other parts of Nigeria, and they deny it. Whereas I know this country, over 600 people were massacred and died in one day. Christian Association of Nigeria are trying so hard to discredit it. Remy Omokere, region and national TV, where say American are the cause of genocide and the Nigeria, and American are the cause of Christian genocide, while the Christian Association now say there is no genocide. So now Kizionya ye believe. God should cause a revolution that will make people understand their right. Because now people don't know that their local government chairman, their local government authorities, every month in a way been in nana. They don't know this. Nigerians need prayer. That is why when I said when I you can listen, PM ufi hapata distract and them mad. Ufi hapata distract and them mad. And then this video lost Zeus, so that you share your tears and drop your own opinion concerning it. God open.
If I tell you, say Africa, we are suffering and smiling, most especially Nigeria. Our government, our politicians, they know they try at all. This is Federal Road. The only road that leads from Lagos to East. As in the only road that leads from Lagos to East. Now let me show you something. Nanaya, this is people's family. Come and see how they are suffering. By this time of the night, this is midnight. Come and see. You see how stranded people are. Look at this is Asaba Asaba Jomok Junction. Don't look at the one so straight. Only stress in Nigeria the boogie ones. In here na kuna bania. Ndị mmadụ na-alalụ n'ilo. Ndị mmadụ na-ata ahụhụ obodo. Ya Asaba Express Jomok biya. Kewe now. Etina mpu now. Na-efe anya lot. Just look at. Now tell me, can someone explain to me, Minister of Work, what is your job? They have already designed it in such a way that will tell you, this is federal road, this is government road, this is private road, this is nya. Are they not working in the same place? Is PDP, APC, did they have anything that said this is federal road? Did they have in APC and when federal and minister road? And you will see them, they will dress up, wear coats, wear one kind, come they speak one kind useless grammar, come they blow grammar, they give illiterate, they shout for them, vote for them. Come and see what people are passing through. That's why I don't like them. Oh! If I forget business, if we can't put this in, a man what here people now why maybe na puna that tungwafia mob no one clean a business. I am a man and I want them the government to open a food and finance. Here I'm here I'm moto money beefa. How's that beer damage? Yeah. Hey. Just take that here. Come and see the kind of suffer people are suffering. Those people that are suffering this thing, they are Nigerian citizens. Come on. Okay, from what we don't ask for too much. We are not asking for too much. Just give us light. Give us road. We don't say government, make government come cater for us. Government, please don't cater for us. Just give us light. Give us road. Okay. Okay, now every trailer na turn. Na if more than a town. They go. Just think you go do with your own number 6. Only with this motor. Get go you see your family. The owner of this car, how the person will feed his family is not going home today. Nigeria has happened for him. Check and check up some Diana Ebana do what the how full over there. Amamo, I am for government. You be this one, you be this one. Come on, work where they give you to deliver. You didn't deliver it. You say you are a politician. You have been into the game for 15 years. You know, going into politics for 15 years. Can you on the boon on where you feel up that? Come on, AC. The ice rule now. Also, Nana Millie. Represent and in Makaisi at Alpha Blozilani 44. I attack at Tagal for these conjators of Alpha. Anokata Biabo Okute Raka, Okute Peter Jitubo Simon. Abiaboya and also. It was a polybomb by Naka. Okay, tourism pattern, I'm at the rate in Jaffa. A what I go? No, further Bulugo Mona, Putaqua. ị helụọ ya ị na-awala onwe gị. Ndị agbasi mbibi ka fa dị ka ibe fa felie ngwa afịa lie ma isi ego ka ewe onye ka iji nwayọ ekwu. How many hours ka unu nọgara ebe a? Okay. Ask again. What do you think federal road? What do you mean by federal road? What can you minister of work on? When they tell you, I'm not about Igbo now. Well qualify what people are passing through in this Nigeria. I don't know. This is midnight, so then think what people are passing through in the daytime. You may think it's not, did I have car? Am I doing business? Nothing concern me. On a very good day, you go reach you 1 or 2 places. On a very good day, you go reach you 1 or 2 places. And now, on a very good day, if only one more time, if a family man no matter, only other no, or man lalu na be attack. True. True. No moto. These people. This one is my moto. Okay. My moto. Today, okay. I can never sleep in my house. Okay, since 4 hours. My brother, let me be your governor. Let me be your governor. I don't have to excuse. One a federal which kind of wickedness is this? Then you will come and parade yourself. You go find one Igbo man. They go wear cap, come they speak English. They do as if they walk. Why you know they are not working anything? You know those people that you hire, they are come to steal money. Why are you putting it in TV? When they come from why they go to blow grammar, they go to write nonsense things. We don't tell you people not to steal money. Steal money you want. We are not putting eye on your people. Just give us light and the water and the road. A minister of work who does not work his work, is that one minister? No, you are not a minister. You are a minister of people.